Hello viewers, and for you today I have another interesting purchase from eBay. This is a Marshall Islands commemorative $5 coin from 1989. This is the first man on the moon commemorative, and I paid $12.27 for this coin including shipping. Let's open it up and see what we've got. Okay. Oh, and there's the coin, sealed in its original packaging. That's a nice little card. Talks about on July 20th, 1969 at 4:17 p.m. in the Sea of Tranquility of the Moon, the Eagle has landed. When this message was broadcast from the moon's surface 20 years ago, the world fell silent and stood in awe. For not only had America fulfilled the pledge made by President Kennedy to land a man on the moon by 1970, but she had realized the dream of generations of mankind. There's a nice picture of the Apollo 11 astronauts. And inside's story of the first men on the moon coin. Boy, it's really hard to get good lighting on this with the coin still being in the plastic, but I want to maintain its value by keeping it in the original packaging it came in. But this is the $5 commemorative coin from 1989 from the Republic of the Marshall Islands. And on the reverse, we have an astronaut stepping onto the moon, the denomination on the right and the dates below. And it says there from 1969 to 1989. It's the 20th anniversary of the first men on the moon. This coin is a $5 coin. It's made of copper nickel. It has a weight of 29.04 grams and a diameter of 39.15 millimeters. It is a round coin, has a thickness of 3.28 millimeters, has a reeded edge. So let's take a look at the obverse. Has a really nice obverse as well. And their obverse, it says Republic of the Marshall Islands with the denomination to the left, which says $5 and 1989, date on the right. And at the bottom there we have the motto of the Marshall Islands in Marshallese, which is an Austronesian language. And it says Chepilpilin Ke Ejukan, and that means accomplishment through joint effort. So overall, a really nice commemorative issue coin that I'm sure will only increase in value. So overall, a really good investment, I think. The coin in this condition is worth $7.30, and if it wasn't for the shipping, I would have paid under that for this coin. But online I've seen it anywhere from $15 to $20 and higher, so I feel this is one of those investments that it's more about for the novelty in the collection than the actual value. But it's a really nice coin and a really nice card it came in. So please tell me what you think. Let me know in the comments below. And please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Good night.